Unfortunately, I am not fasting today because if you know, it is the time of the month, and when it is that time, we do not fast. So with that being said, I am going to use the energy that I do have to clean up my apartment, and then today I'm cooking iftar for my parents and my sister, and I'm so excited. And so my sister should be picking me up in about an hour so we can head home. So let's get to cleaning. Just made it to my parents, and today I'm really excited to cook iftar for them. On the menu, I'm making a lentil soup, which is pretty common in Ramadan. And then I'm also making a cast iron roasted chicken. I made this before for iftar, and it was so good. So I'm excited to make it. Nutrients, okay? My mom always has the good gadgets. But the soup, the flavor, everything is perfect. My parents and my sister, they're gonna love this so much. Add a little bit of oil just because the chicken will release a lot of its natural juice. And then we're just gonna layer in some potatoes. A bit more oil on top. Got the fruits. Only dates to get. Keep monitoring it. And I'll learn everything. But you're in the theater, which is still another world that you're in. We're heading over to get some coffee with my cousin. Some matcha. Some matcha. We typically always do this during Ramadan after we're done with prayer. We all head out and meet at a little coffee shop. So we might do multiple stops. We'll see. But first up is called Caffeine. Phenomenal coffee and matcha. Cheers!
The matcha with oat milk, iced with a little sugar.
We got the corn coffee latte.
Got the matcha latte with vanilla.
Banana latte.
Just very regret.
We're not going to Kamari House anymore just because it was packed. So we are now going to our OG spot. Too hot. What a spread. It is the next day and we are heading to H Mart to do some grocery shopping because we ran out a couple of things.
I'll do a taste test. This is gonna be for Seheri. Since today is my last day of my period and I hopefully can start fasting tomorrow, I thought I'd take advantage and go to a coffee shop instead to get some work done. My husband just came home. I just showered and I did my full ghusl, so I can hopefully pray Maghrib tonight, which I'm so excited about. The time is now 7 o'clock, so I have about 40-ish minutes to prep iftar, so let's do that. My best friend lives 2 doors down, and today we are hosting an iftar dinner together. We're so excited, but now this is crunch time. We have about T-minus 5 hours to get everything done, but I'm so excited, so let's get to cooking. The key to this is I have to really stick to the measurements because I'm fasting. and so I don't get to taste anything.
Extra set of hands is here. She is helping me with the charcuterie board. I found a halal salami from Al Madina, one of our Middle Eastern markets. The lasagna in the oven. I have like 20 minutes to get ready. Baby, but you should be able to do that.
You know, Ramadan is such a special month for everyone who observes.
7:45, all right.
Okay, so now Bismillah, and we can take a bite.